Okay, here's a layout for the reception counter. First thing is it will come out 82 inches from this side. And I don't know how much of an overhang the metal guy is going to do, but I would say a minimum of 1 inch on this side. But the cabinet width will be 82 plus or minus a quarter inch, just depending on how plumb the wall is. 82 inches out. And from the back wall, we have approximately about 76 inches and then a 6 inch overhang on this side. So 82 inches or so of countertop overhang for the customer side right here. The top of this will be at 42. This is at 30 inches, file drawer, cubby space. This is stained, a slab material, brown color. This is stained, and the inside of this will be stained here. And underneath this will just be black melamine. The snow fencing will be on the back of this side, and it'll be somewhat L-shaped because it'll run underneath to the face of this cabinet. So the outline of the cursor, this will be snow fencing on the inside of that. Snow fencing here, and then this cabinet steps out a couple inches. So this will be snow fencing here, and this panel will be stained. But that's the overall look. So we'll get this installed, and then that countertop would be put in place on top, because we'll have a plywood top in here and some supports underneath. All right, let me know what you think. Thank you.